Ian! Okay, Ian, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna make some bullets, okay?
Hey, look, there's someone out there.
Who the heck is that?
I don't know, but he must have been lost. Come on, get inside. Go on inside. He must not have no weapons. He must have been out here all day. I'll give you some weapons. Here it is. Okay, here's this gun. Let me make him some bullets. Ian, I'm gonna make him some bullets.
Okay, here.
Oh crap.
What's your name? Is it Kyle? Not your head. Okay,
Yeah, his name's Kyle.
Kyle. Here's your gun. I accidentally.
And hey, Ian, give me the gold. I accidentally dropped gold. Okay, I'm gonna make him some bullets.
This will be your room. Upstairs is his name is John. My name is.
Okay, I better make me some. Where's my iron? I need iron.
Oh, they're attacking.
Ah, crap! Here, Kyle. Here's your bullets.
What's that?
Where's my upstairs? Where's my upstairs?
I'm fixing that.
Oh. They want to start fight. They're get a fight.
Okay, here. Where goes your house?
They want to start fight. They're gonna start a fight.
Oh.
Holy crap!
It's 9 o'clock. It's almost 9 o'clock.
They want to start a fight. Come on, Kyle. Let's get back inside.
Okay, this is your new room, Kyle. This will be your room.
Hey, dude, switch the floor, dude. Because zombies could get in if it's of snow. Okay, I got it. There you go.
Oh, a whole bunch of them. Wait, I need to make a crate. Can you make me a crate?
Oh, I need wood. Oh, I have wood.
Oh.
To make.
Okay, make him a crate too, because he's gonna need some crates.
I need iron.
Oh, I don't have any iron.
Yeah, you do. You have 7. Actually, that's alright.
Oh, my mom's calling.
Here, Kyle. There's your crate. I'll make you another one. There's Kyle. Okay, now Kyle got all of it. Okay, come on, you guys. We got some crap. Dang it! I'm going outside.
Oh, it's getting night. What are we gonna do?
What the heck? Ah!
John!
Oh.
No, John! Get inside!
Ouch. Wing. Beep. Ugh. Where the hell am I? I better go back. Beep. No, I'm just kidding. Sorry guys. It took like 2 hours just to get here. Ugh. punk. Take that. Dragon on the way!
What kind of dragon?
It looks like it could be just a fire dragon. Let's kill it.
Oh, the undead.
We'll have to see for ourselves. It's coming this way. Die. Ah! I was hit. I'm gonna
stay inside and I'm gonna go on the top so I can shoot.
I'm gonna try getting near it for a good look. It's too dark. I need a machine gun.
I don't have one.
I have one. Kyle! It was a fire dragon. I told you. Oh crap, Ian! Oh god. I picked up your stuff, Ian. I picked up your stuff.
Don't take my stuff.
I picked them up. I'm gonna put them in your chest.
Can you make me another crate?
You had 2 crates the whole entire time, Ian. I'm gonna help Kyle. These zombies can jump high, that's for sure. No, Kyle! Kyle! No! No! Ah! Wake up! He has more lives left. God gave him chances to live. Ah, help me! Ian, we should go back inside, you guys. It's getting a little bit dangerous. Come on, you guys, back inside! Ah!
Get inside.
Oh.
Get inside.
Beep, 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 beep. Please. Whoa. Huh, at least God gave me a second chance to live. Now I have to walk all the way over there. I think. Yep, I have to walk all the way. 2 hours later, or should I say 3? Yeah, 3 hours later. 3 hours later. God damn it, I'm sorry guys. It took me 3 hours just to get over here. God damn it. Oh, hell to no. Everyone get back inside, it's dangerous out here.
Hey, you know what we should do? In the morning we should make a sheet.
That won't be good enough.
I think he's making a tower.
It don't look like it. Oh crap. Put yourself! Are you kidding me? Another dragon? Isn't this great?
No. Don't make it out of snow. They can come out of the snow. You can make it out of stone. Here, I'll give you stone. Here.
Come here, you stupid dragon. I'm not feeling good today.
Don't make it out of snow. Don't put snow in it. So they can get out of the snow.
It's coming! I killed the fire dragon. Isn't that great? Ah, I've been hit. Ah! Oh, let's see what this drops. Ooh, diamond. Ah! inside and stay inside for the night. Oh shoot. Everyone back inside, get back inside. Come on, let's move it.
Oh, look what he made. For the thing. See, look.
Oh dang. Come on you guys, I think we should get back inside. It's getting up. I think in the next morning we should walk. I think in the next morning.
Go get some more bloodstone. We need bloodstone.
Are you sure we should go over there? Let's go in the next morning. Come on, you guys.